So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Enbridge stock here on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, go to the top right, press on the search or the magnifying glass icon at the top here. Type in ticker symbol for Enbridge, ENB. Once you have this selected, go to the top, press on Enbridge. Once Enbridge is selected, go to the bottom left and press on trade, and then press on buy. Now once you're here, I want you to go down to where it says session type. You can change that. You can also change the order type as well. There's limit, there's market, etc. Below that, it says price and quantity. So if you wanted to purchase, 5 shares, the amounts of that would be below. And if all looks good for whatever reason, you want to go forward with the transaction, press on buy and proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Enbridge stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.